The charting functionality built in CRM can also be used against all of the entities in Alert Stratus. So you can create charts for cases, projects, service contracts, account equipment, and so on as well. And you can choose to display all the charts here at the view level of the entity. You can also select the dashboard entity, where here you'll be able to see multiple charts and graphs and even lists right at the dashboard level. So going back to our entity view, there are a number of prepared case charts already available out of the box. So you can review cases by case mix by origin. You can do case mix priority per day, for example, as well. And then you have the ability to drill down to the particular details from here. So you can very specifically pick a day and see the types of cases by priority and drill down and see the data over in the view form here. And then of course you can choose to further filter from this view as well if you've selected the filter button here in the ribbon bar. If we would like to create a new case chart, it's the same process as building any chart in standard CRM today. So as an admin user, I will select the Charts tab, and I'll select here in the ribbon bar to create a new chart. So if we'd like to create a case chart to display our cases by customer as an example, and we'd like to be able to distinguish the case priority from this chart as well, I'll enter the name of our chart here. I'll select cases by customer as the name of the chart. For legend entries, I'll type in the type of data that I'm trying to collect from, so I'll select cases, where it's going to be counting all of the cases here in the vertical axis. I can select the type of chart I'd like, so I can have a vertical bar graph. In our case, we're going to have a stacked column because I'm going to be putting all of our customers, and I'm going to be stacking the case priority within each one of these bars in this bar graph. For our horizontal axes, I'll select customer. I'll say add a category because I'm also going to be selecting our case priority. You'll notice anything that's sitting up here that's above this list are different fields that I have selected in my view over here. So if I know that I have priority and such listed in the view, it'll appear at the top of my list. So I'll select priority, and here I'll be able to see a preview of what my chart looks like. I can add a description of my chart down here as well if I wish, and then I'll just select Save and Close. So it's displaying only the data that I have selected over here. So I'll go back to Cases and I'll get rid of my filter view, and I'll select here to refresh the chart. And now it's going to be showing me, if I expand this, all of my cases by customer, and I have the ability to drill down to all of my high, normal, and low priority cases per customer right from this chart.